Well, folks, here it is. It's March the 10th, and believe it or not, I've had back-to-back night opportunities. Last night I connected and dropped that boar, uh, and here it is. Another boar came in, believe it or not. Maybe it's fixing to heat up. But anyway, this one I didn't make a drop shot on it, but I heard impact, so I know I hit him good with the first shot. And as he was running away from me out in the wheat field, I heard bullet impact on the second shot. I'm pretty sure I did. I think it's pretty obvious. Of course, that's him running away from me, so that was just to get another round in him. But I think I heard him crash when we were out and he got in the brush line. So we're gonna go check it out and see if we can't get on some blood and see if we can't find this pig. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Let's go do it and have some fun. I left my gun out here so I wouldn't have to carry it all the way to the house. But we're fixing to try to get, I think I heard this pig fall or crash in the brush once he hit the brush line. Maybe not. These pigs are tough, you know, and I didn't make a drop shot on that first shot, so I may not get lucky on this one, you know. But we will soon find out. Turn this flashlight on here when we get a little closer. Got a pretty full moon tonight. There's my deer stand. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet shot. I was almost scared to come out here. When I say scared, I mean I was afraid that he was gonna see me walking up them stairs to that stand because the moon is so bright. I was afraid he's gonna see me, you know. So I just did it real slow and it panned out. I got a little rushed because I had to go back and get batteries for my infrared light. Got up in there on the first attempt up in there, and my infrared wasn't working. This has happened to me before, but anyway, so I got up in there and it wasn't working, so I just left my rifle up in there, snuck down, got in the house, got the some batteries, got back up in the blind. It was a mess. So I think anytime something weird happens like that, I think I just get excited and I rush the shot. And he was eating out of the trough for a long time, but when I got back up in there, he was kind of acting a little spooky, kind of went towards the brush and then left. And anyway, we're about to cross over this fence. I've got permission. This is the farmer that loves for me to take these hogs out. And see all this rooting right here? Look at that. Look at the damage these pigs do. That is all rooting. And I'm talking, this ain't no light stuff. I mean, it just goes all the way down the fence line. And they do that inside the fields too, you know. So I'm gonna cross over. And then we'll just probably find an easier way to get over there. This is where he ran under right here, I'm pretty sure. Well, no, I ain't seeing no tracks, so it may have been over here somewhere. Well, there's only one way to get over there, and that's to cross this fence, and let's do it. Yeah, it's just one strand of barbed wire over there, so that's what we're gonna do. Like I say, I've got permission to be over here. Gotta watch for snakes, believe it or not, this time of the year. They are out. in Sweetwater. So I can get some video content on that, and I think y'all like to see that. It's pretty cool. There's over 1,000 rattlesnakes in pits that you can check out. This strand of barbed wire is hot. I mean, it's an electric fence hot. So, yeah, you don't want to touch that bad boy. Say he went in somewhere right through here. I knew I heard him crash. Looky there, folks. I see a pig. Man, he didn't. I seen him. I think that first shot was a good hit. He just took the bullet and ran with it for a little ways. But sure enough, I'm trying to find where he ran in right here. But that's awesome. It's right there. He is. This fence. Get over here, it's a little bit lowered. I can hop over. This is where my GoPro would come in handy. When they're laying here like this, you never know if they might be still alive and they run like that. Or what. I don't see him breathing. I think he's done. Oh yeah, I can tell by the blood. Well, folks, check it out. He's another hairy one. Yeah, you know, he looks real similar to the one I shot last night, but just a tad bit smaller. But man, look at that shot, y'all. That was my first shot, so it was definitely lethal. I mean, lungs and, you know, depending on the fragments, hit the heart all day long. And that's what I heard. See that stick broke right there? That's what I heard whenever he was crashing through here. But I'm gonna flip him over so I can get some pictures. But man, I'm trying to see how far he ran. That just goes to show you folks how strong or how freaking tough these pigs are. I mean, it's probably, I'm gonna say, I bet he ran close to 75 yards probably with that kind of shot. Is that wild or what? That's insane. the tracking job, I knew where he went in and shone the flashlight over there, and there he was. Done deal. Cool. Awesome. Lay this gun down and I'll flip him over, find a good safe spot to out of the wet. Hey folks, look at this pig's ear. I may have to name him old Split Ear. Look at this thing. It's an old wound because it's dried, scarred up tissue, just dry. It has a little bit of where it probably broke loose when he went through the fence, right there. But otherwise, that is an old wound, and I can tell you what that's probably from. It could be from barbed wire. Look at that. Or it could be from or it could be from another boar fighting with him, and that's his tusk that cut him. That's what they do, they rip into each other like that. Hey folks, one more thing. I got to looking, and that running away shot, I found it. Look at there. So it's on the inside of his leg. So I'm thinking it went in back here, and I was up in the air, so it went in right here, came out, went into the ground in front of him.